Dear future defense officers, till date I must have carried out assessment of approximately 1200 candidates. Let me tell you, there is a category of students, just by first assessment you can always tell what it is my observation. Of course, you can always say luck matters, this matters, that matters, but I am sharing with you. You can make out there are candidates who are very lethargic, who have got no time management. When they were supposed to study, they were doing some job. Do right thing at right time. This is one category. Second category, when you ask a candidate while carrying an assessment to speak on a particular topic, especially the current affairs. Let us say nowadays Taliban issue is going on in the world. Olympics, the Tokyo Olympics are going on. You ask him or her to speak even for 2 minutes or 1 minute on a topic. Their very famous sentence, I would like to quote it verbatim. सर इस बार तो एक्सपीरियंस के लिए जा रहे हैं ना, जब एक्सपीरियंस हो जाएगा तो अगली बार अच्छे से तैयारी करेंगे. डोंट वेस्ट योर चांसेस लाइक दिस. जस्ट बाय वेस्टिंग 6 months, I mean just wasting one chance, you are getting junior to your classmates and course mates by 6 months, and the next chance it is not assured that you will make it, but certainly 6 months you have lost. Now let me calculate the pay scales of a lieutenant. Let's take approximately 1 lakh rupees. You have lost approximately 6 lakh rupees, maybe slightly less than that, 5.5. You see the kind of loss you have gone through and you are not realizing, and the agony of rejection, not getting recommended, again preparing, slogging, that is different. Even your parents get worried about you. You are at a big loss just by telling कि इस बार experience के लिए जा रहे हैं. No, it is not possible. This is one of the categories. Then there is a third category where you will see a person, he has written 7-8 hobbies or games and sports, starting from wrestling, kabaddi, badminton, table tennis, football, hockey, you name them, they have written it. They do not know what is actually their favorite game. You ask them hobby, they write gardening. When you ask them what do you do in gardening, they do not know whether it is a kitchen garden or flower pots or maintaining the lawn or anything else connected to gardening. They do not know what are the tools they use, except only one tool they know, khurpi. They do not know in which season what flower is to be grown or which vegetable seeds are to be put. You cannot sail through an SSB like this. You cannot impress SSB just by writing 10 games and sports and 7 hobbies. Because by exaggerating or just by giving more number of games, no, it is not possible. You may play 1 game or 2 games, but do it well. There is another category, fourth one. When you ask them about current affairs or any lecture topic and they are not prepared, and when you ask them that you were clear you have to go for SSB and why you have not prepared, I am quoting an example verbatim. I asked a student, I hope you know our boundaries of our country and state. He said, yes sir. I said, where is Mizoram? He said, sir, it is in Karnataka. I thought there may be some similar village or township kind of thing which I am not aware. I said, how you know? He said, sir, this was in news last week. Very prominent news it was there. I said, I think I might have missed it. He was confirming, yes sir, I have heard about it, sir, and I was following that news also. Imagine, what can you do with such candidates? They are fooling themselves. Anybody who cannot own up about his lack of knowledge, it's a blunder. And especially you want to become a defense officer and you do not know boundary of your country at the age when you are a graduate, just by saying, sir, मैं science वाला हूँ, will not serve the purpose. Fifth category, they always have got a feeling of comparison. They say that one of their classmates who was nowhere near them has got selected, or any of their family member, brother or sister, if he or she had made it, तो वो तो हो ही जाएगा. He will surely make it. Let me quote an example. One of the student whom I met, who was not recommended in 3-4 SSBs, I asked him why you were not prepared. He says, sir, I am much superior to my sister. She has made for SSB. So I thought I will surely make it. And in his language, he said, sir, हमने सोचा हम तो दीदी से अव्वल हैं, हम तो हो ही जाएंगे. And with this thinking, he got rejected 6 times. He did not prepare. He was only sitting कि मैं अपनी सिस्टर से या ब्रदर से अच्छा हूँ तो मैं हो जाऊँगा. And that is his thought process. Had he been better, he would have got selected. There is a sixth category. There are students who have not been serious, scoring somewhere around 50% with difficulties and managing to go into the next standard. और जब वो SSB के लिए जा रहे जैसे तैसे रिटर्न पास किया है, certainly they have made an effort. But to cover up their all backlogs, their poor percentage, poor performance in past, they only keep thinking कि सर मेरा परसेंटेज कम है शायद इसलिए मुझे रिजेक्ट कर दिया है, सर शायद मेरा एक बैकलॉग था इसलिए मुझे रिजेक्ट कर दिया है. So much of inhibitions, so many doubts, so much of negativity. SSB judges your personality. They sees leadership qualities in you. Percentage is not, it does not matter, but certainly you are expected to be a okay student, at least an average student, not passing your every class. किस्तों में पास होते रहो तो then it shows that you are a lazy student, you had a lackadaisical attitude, you are not serious about life, and then one fine morning you are thinking कि मेरा बैकलॉग था इसलिए मैं रिजेक्ट हो. You are not prepared. That's why you have got rejected. There are more number of categories also. They do not read newspaper. They do not read magazines. They do not make use of internet for study purpose. Just for seeing useless videos or useless material, they spend a lot of time. And they have got all the time in the world for that. My request to people is, internet, Google Baba is the best friend. Gives you accurate information, timely information. Use it. It is a very cheaper version. This was another category. There is a long list, but I think these are the prominent ones. Kindly explore yourself and overcome your weaknesses. I can assure you, when you identify your shortcomings, identify your weaknesses, aim the target, I am very sure you will hit it. Do it. If you fall into any of these categories, this is an alarm to you. Kindly wake up. जाग जाओ, मेहनत करो, जब आगे बढ़ पाओगे. घर बैठे ऐसा नहीं हो सकता. Work hard. God bless you.